biologist on board. Again, Hayley said this is the best place to work as a marine biologist.
It's got to be, yeah.
Now, you're out here because you obviously love the Great Barrier Reef.
Absolutely.
You love it so much that you're caring for it in a really interesting way. Tell us about reef restoration.
Yeah, we've got a little project going on here at the moment. We are trying to help our reef recover. You know, we had some serious coral bleaching events. But what we're doing is we're taking corals that have already been through 2 serious bleaching events and survived. So we know that they are tough corals. They're heat resilient corals. Now you can actually take a cutting from some of those colonies, attach them to the bottom over here, they will grow. So that's what we're doing here. We're propagating heat tolerant corals.
Rising sea temperatures due to climate change can lead to coral bleaching events. So it's science to the rescue.
But at the same time, we're taking an electrical current. We run some cables out. We're running just a low voltage, like 5 volts. And if you run some electrical current through those wire mesh frames that are holding the corals, you can actually double the natural growth rate. So we are trying to speed up the recuperation, speed up the restoration of our reef.
So why does the current lead to that sort of doubling?
The corals are made up of tiny coral polyps, right? So you can imagine like basically an upside down jellyfish sitting in a limestone cup. This is a coral polyp. Now that coral polyp has to extract calcium carbonate, right, to build its skeleton. Now if you run a low voltage current through it, it just makes it easier for the coral polyp to do that. It can do it faster, and this is how you can accelerate the natural growth.
Wow, so it actually gets that reaction happening
Faster and easier.
That's so cool.
It is, it's great. And so we're watching that here now. So keep your fingers crossed. Come back again, Lee, and we're going to have a beautiful coral garden down there.